All right. Hey, everybody. This is Nicole Evans with Keller Williams Realty Brevard, and I have some exciting news for you. I want to talk to you about some new loan programs that are out there and also some programs that have been out for a while, but there are some changes. And to help me tell you about all of this information, I have a fabulous lender, and her name is Shatsani Brown. Now I may have messed that name up. So can you pronounce your name correctly for me?
Yes, it's Shatsani Brown, which is
All right.
it takes practice.
So Shatsani, just tell us a little bit about yourself and how long have you been in the mortgage industry and what company do you work for?
So I'm a loan officer with Premier Mortgage Consultants. I have been in the industry to some capacity since 2003. So I have seen every area of mortgage. I started out as a processor, I did underwriting, and now as a loan officer. So I can put a loan together.
All right. Awesome. So the reason why I wanted to bring you on is just like I said earlier, there are some new loan programs that you are able to provide to buyers that are out there. And there are also some programs that have recently changed. So first,
Right.
let's start off with the Hometown Heroes program. I've used that program for some of my veterans and also some police officers here in
Mhm.
Brevard County where I am. But now, tell us about the changes that have taken place.
So effective July, everybody is now eligible to use Hometown Heroes. Before, it was just available to our heroes, to, like you said, police officers, nurses, but now it's available to everybody as long as funds are available. And the really exciting thing is we just closed a loan about a week ago where, our borrower brought in less than $1,000 to purchase a $340,000 house. So I think that's a benefit to our borrowers,
Well,
definitely.
look, let's pump the brakes. Wait a minute. Let's reverse that. So you said you had a buyer with the Hometown
Mhm.
Heroes program, and they only had to bring $1,000 to the
Correct.
table for a $350,000 home.
350. It's a $340,000 home
Three-
was the purchase price. So there
Wow.
is there's a little bit of extra structuring that we would have to do to make that happen, because of course with Hometown Heroes you get up to 5% of the loan amount to go towards your down payment and your closing costs, but
Yeah.
that does not cover everything. And so typically there's a little bit left over that the borrower would have to pay. But, if we would have a great realtor with great negotiation skills, then we could possibly get the seller to pay a portion of that closing cost. We would need only about a 1%, 1.5%, and that limits the out-of-pocket cost to the borrower.
That is totally outstanding. So, for
Mhm.
those of you who may be watching this recording, previously the Hometown Heroes program, it was only for certain occupations, but now it's open to everyone effective
Every
July 1st. So, if you are a first time home buyer and you feel that this program can help you, hey, we are here for you and we want to be able to help you get the funds that you need so that you can get into the house that you need. Now, besides from the Hometown Heroes program,
Mhm.
there is a new conventional product out
Correct.
that you were telling me about. So tell us a little bit about this new conventional loan that can also help potential buyers out.
So, as you said, it is a conventional loan. It's a 1% down payment program. So, the borrower would be, or the buyer would be responsible for bringing 1% of the purchase price. And then there's a 2% grant. Now, the good thing about this grant is there's no repayment plan at all. So, this is a forgivable grant. They actually will not have mortgage insurance on this loan. So the minimum credit score is a 640, but of course it's a conventional loan, so you definitely have to qualify. But yeah, it is a pretty good deal because you have no mortgage insurance where, on a regular loan, you're going to have mortgage insurance if your loan to value is more than 80%. So in this case, there's no mortgage insurance, which again, combating higher interest rates, that helps to bring down your mortgage payment.
Wow, that is awesome. So let me ask you a couple more questions about this product. So
Mhm.
besides having a minimum score of 640 to qualify, are there
Mhm.
any other qualifying factors that a buyer would need to have? For example, debt to income ratio. Is there a salary income limit that applies?
So yes, the debt to income ratio, the loan actually goes by all conventional guidelines, and so we definitely want to keep it under a 50% debt to income ratio. As far as the income goes, there is an income limit, and again, it's by conventional guidelines, and so there's a website you can check what the area median income is for your area, for your zip code, and I'll provide that website where you can go in and check for your county. But if we're talking Palm Beach County, we're around, I want to say, here, I pulled it up.
Okay. And while you're pulling that up, so this
Mhm.
is not just for Palm Beach County, but for everyone, right?
It's for everyone in the state of Florida. So I was
Okay.
using Palm Beach County just as an example, but
Hmm.
this is available to everyone in the state of Florida, also in the state of, Georgia, where I'm licensed. I'm not sure if you are, but this is available everywhere.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
So
Awesome.
there's one thing that I do want to mention about this program is that there is a maximum loan amount, and that is 350,000. So if you do live in an area where home prices are a lot higher, this program may not benefit you. But
Mm.
yeah, the maximum loan amount is 350,000.
$1,000. Okay. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, that is totally awesome because I know here in Brevard County, where I live,
Mm-hmm.
$350,000 dollars, that will get
To buy
you
you.
a pretty nice home versus Palm Beach County.
Right. It's it's kind of
Totally
difficult
different.
in Palm Beach County, but
Yeah.
definitely in Brevard it would work.
Okay. So I
Mhm.
would kind of say like the Hometown Heroes program would definitely be good for those
Absolutely.
that are in Palm Beach County where the this conventional loan may not be as good for them because you really can't get as much house in Palm Beach County for
Correct.
$350,000. And it sounds like some of the differences between the two products with the Hometown Heroes program, if I'm not mistaken, there is a portion of that would potentially have to be paid
Paid back.
back if
Correct.
you either is it sell the home
If
or
you sell the home
Mhm.
or refinance, if you refinance, you can't do a subordinate mortgage. But if you are selling that home, it will need to be paid back.
Okay, versus the conventional product that you talked about, it is a grant.
Completely forgivable. Yes, completely
Wow.
forgivable.
And the good thing about that is no mortgage insurance. That right there is saving you money each month, which in the long
Correct.
run is going to save you thousands of dollars.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. So that's a huge, huge benefit. And one of the reasons why I push this program so much is because, like I said, every mortgage that you have that's over 80% loan to value, you will have mortgage insurance. But with this loan program, you won't.
Okay. And this particular conventional loan program, is it only in place for a certain period of time or until certain funds run out? Do you know?
No, no, it's not based on any available funds. The lender that we use actually has this program. They fund it. It's their grant, and so the money is available.
All right, all right. Now with this product, is it your typical 30-day closing or would it require more time for closing?
Hey, listen, the goal is to always get you closed, before that 30-day period. So we say 30 days, but we're always targeting 15 to 30 days. So
Okay,
it's no different from, any other program that we do.
All right, awesome, awesome, awesome. So again, guys, I just wanted to bring Miss Brown on today. When I saw your post about this new conventional program, I was like, let me reach out to Miss Lady and find out some more information about it.
we
Because, go ahead.
yeah, we definitely had to get this scheduled.
Yeah, because there unfortunately are so many first-time home buyers out there where they want to, buy a home. They've done the necessary things that they need to do to get their credit score where it needs to
Right.
be, but sometimes they may not have the funds to have that down payment plus
Absolutely.
closing costs. But when you have a product like this that is taking a substantial amount off, the top that they're going to have to bring to the table. And then that
Right.
awesome story about the one client you had that only had to come to the table with $1,000.
Yeah. So
Girl,
that's really exciting to know that, you're helping somebody who is either serving, as a fireman, as a policeman, as, a nurse, and now to have that program available for everybody. It feels good knowing that you can help somebody get in the home with little to no money out of pocket.
exactly. So we did talk about the requirements for the conventional product.
Mm-hmm.
Now, with the Hometown Heroes program, is there a minimum credit score, minimum, loan amount?
That one is actually, you go by the 640 is the minimum credit score for that program as well, but we do go by regular guidelines. Hometown Heroes has some small overlays that we have to adhere to, but for the most part we go by the regular FHA and conventional guidelines.
All right, perfect, perfect, perfect.
Mm-hmm.
If people want to reach out and get pre-qualified for a home loan, how can they contact you?
You can contact me by phone, text. I'm always available. My phone number is 561-377-8818, or by email. My email is my name. It's shopsini@pmcnow.com.
All right, perfect, perfect. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedule to talk with me about this new loan product for the conventional loan, and then also about the changes that have taken place with the Hometown Heroes program. So hopefully people will see this and they will reach out, to you to get pre-qualified and pre-approved. And for those of you that are watching, if you do not have a realtor and you need a realtor that is going to help you find that home, and then I hook you up with my girl, Miss Brown. Hey, we're going to make it happen because we want to make your dreams come true and get you into that home with, as least money out of your pocket as possible. So thank you so much for tuning in, and hopefully I'll be able to come back with you for more real estate tips and updates. All right, peace.
Thank you for having me.